Hi everyone and welcome to another Experiencing IT video. Today I'm showing you how to add Bluetooth to your old stereo using a Raspberry Pi and an application called balenaSound. For this project you will need a Raspberry Pi with Bluetooth. This means you need to get a Raspberry Pi Model 3 or above. The one I got here is a Raspberry Pi Model 3 A+, which is a compact model with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth but no Ethernet. You will also need a micro SD card, like this one. You will also need an audio cable. In my case, a 3.5 audio jack to RCA adapter. And you will need, of course, your old stereo. The first step is to create an account with Balena Cloud. To do that, head off to their website at dashboard.balena-cloud.com. Click on the sign up link. Finish the registering process and log into the Balena Cloud dashboard. Click on Create Application and fill in the application name. Choose the device type. The application type, leave it as default and click Create New Application. From the application screen, click on Add Device. Turn on the development switch. And if you choose to use Wi-Fi, turn on the switch to Wi-Fi plus Ethernet. Fill in your Wi-Fi details, SSID and passphrase. And click on the Download Balena OS button. Download balenaEtcher from balena.io/etcher and install it on your computer. I already have it installed, so I'll just open it from my desktop. Click on Select Image and browse for the Balena OS image downloaded before. Make sure you have the right SD card selected and click on Flash. Insert the SD card into the slot on the back of your Raspberry Pi and connect the power adapter. You will notice that the Raspberry Pi will start booting. In the meantime, log in to your Balena Cloud dashboard and after a few minutes your Raspberry Pi should be listed. Let's move on to download and install the Balena CLI. To download balenaSound, navigate to the address shown on screen. Link also in the video description below. Scroll down, click on Download and download the balenaSound application zip file. And zip it to a location of your choice. To push the balenaSound application to the Raspberry Pi, we need to download and install the Balena CLI. Navigate to the address shown on screen or click the link in the video description below. Scroll down to Assets and download the version corresponding to your system. In my case, it is the Windows x64 installer. To install the Balena CLI, once again on Windows, run the Windows executable. On other systems, you would have to refer to the specific installation instructions. It is now time to push the application to the Raspberry Pi. Open a command prompt and navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the balenaSound application to. Type in Balena login to authenticate with your Balena Cloud dashboard. Press enter to choose the default authentication method, web authorization. Click on authorize. Once you are authorized, it's time to push the application to the Raspberry Pi. Now type Balena push balenaSound and press enter. Let's try now to pair the device with my computer. Let's set a Bluetooth device. Alright, now I have already an MP3 file on my desktop. I'll try to play it and let's see. Okay, the file is playing but no sound, as you can see here. Go again to settings. Open system sound and you see that there is no sound. Check if the Bluetooth device is not muted or increase its volume. Sorry for the noise here, but the sound is being captured directly from the microphone. And with this I believe we have reached the end of the video. Check the next section for troubleshooting the sound issues I had. All the links will be in the video description below. Leave your comments or suggestions and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you have no sound at all or a very low volume when pairing your device for the very first time, try adding these two device variables to your system. The first one is disable multi-room with a value of 1, and the second one is system output volume with a value of 100. This did the trick for me. Now, if you have this or any other issue, let me know in the comments below. See you soon.